Hello, my name is Sam, and I'm making a quick video to help people uh, learn how to use Zoom. Zoom is a video conferencing tool, and it's also a website. So the first thing you do is find it on the internet. You go to Google and Google Zoom, and it should be one of the first links that comes up. Go to their website, and it's a free sign up. Um, You can either sign in with a work email address and make an account, or you can sign in with Google or with Facebook. I usually sign in with my Google email address. Okay, and you may have to put in your Google email address and password if you haven't logged in recently. Now, here's the website. You can see that there is a link to schedule a new meeting. There is a link to install a plugin for Microsoft Outlook or for Chrome, and you can see your previous meetings. You can get training. Okay, so under host a meeting, I can choose to do it with the video on, video off, or just the screen share, just what I see on my computer. I'm going to do it with the video on. And then I'll get the web application here. Now, sometimes this can take some time to load. So a good option is to download the application that will run on your computer. Uh, you can also download the application on your phone if you have a iPhone or Android phone. You just go to the App Store and you should be able to find Zoom on your phone as well. Here I'm going to download and run it on my Mac. Of course, it'll be a little bit different for a Windows PC, but it shouldn't be too much different than the regular steps you take to install a program. When you install the program, it'll ask you to sign in just like the website does, sign in with a Google account. So I'm going to keep on signing in with the same Google account. And then launch Zoom. Okay, and now I'm in, you can see the Zoom application. And I can make a new meeting. And then I can use the computer audio. If I'm not sure if my computer audio is working well, I can test it first. That's the speakers. The speakers are working, yes. And then I just tested the okay, and then I also want to test my microphone. Oh, good. I heard the echo, so it means it's working. Okay, so now I'm in a meeting and I can invite people down here. I can also share my screen with the people in the meeting. So I invite people, I type in email addresses that are in my contacts, or I can connect to my email directly. Okay. And then this will send an email to the people I want to be in my meeting. They'll get the email, they'll click on it, and then they'll be able to join the meeting. I can also use the chat button to send little messages just in case there's some internet slowdown or something like that. It's a good way to communicate. and get feedback. Okay. So then if I'm ready to share my screen, I can do this, and I can also use a whiteboard where I draw on the screen. Um, I can connect my phone to, I can connect my phone to the app so that people can see my phone screen on the app. A little bit advanced stuff there. But if you wanted to show a student like a phone app for studying English, you could do this a little bit better than just putting it in front of the camera. I can also show what's on my computer, do the screen share there. Okay, so there you are, some of the basic features of Zoom. Um, it should be fairly user-friendly. And if you run into any problems, of course, you can contact us, let us know what's not working, and we'll help you out. Okay, hope this helps. Thanks. Bye.